Really, when I found this song, I just was like, oh gosh, few years ago it would break my heart because I used to live in such a situation like this, and now I'm really happy about my life, but years ago it would let me cry for hours. So I've decided that I just need to recreate that look because it's so about me. It was so about me. Hopefully I'll never feel this way again, but I know that a lot of people feel it that way. I know a lot of people survive through this situation, and please just remember that relationships are made for you to grow and feel better about you. Yes, there will be times when you feel down, but you need to feel happy. But we turn to our makeup, and I'm applying this beautiful shade from Too Faced makeup, and we are doing our crease and our arch. Just fill it like this. You don't need a lot of color here, just a little soft blend to make our eyes look bigger than they are. Honestly, it's pretty simple makeup, but the thing where people struggle the most will be placed with white eyeliner, and I know that there are a lot of girls who use like spoon or something to make it rounder, but I'll show you the way you can make it just with white eyeliner and your hands. So yeah, who loves to struggle? I love to struggle. And we make a little something like eyeliner here, but I think there can be any light makeup you like. It may be even nude makeup, because all this accent goes to this flower around your eye. I think it's perfect time for opening white eyeliner from Shake Glum, or something like this. And also the cutest knife I ever had. Let's try it out. I used to be a big fan of white eyeliner years ago, but we look right ourselves in eyes, just like this. So, and we are looking for our arch, just like this. Well, it's not a best brush for this, so I need to clean this up and try another time. So this is my so I took my favorite brush. I already shown you this one in my latest videos, and just take a look. It's perfect. Who wants to just make it simple? No. we want to make it like this. Guess who's here? To make it a little bit better, so I'm using concealer to make it better. Second layer of sparkles. Here it goes. Here we go again. You've obviously already heard the song, don't you? So let me know, what do you think about it? Do you have any emotions about it? Do you had situation like this in your life? And if you like this makeup, I really hope to see you soon on my channel. Sending you best wishes, love, and please be happy and remember that you're already beautiful.